Here's how to unblock websites on Google. There are two settings you need to check. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Screen Time. Next, find Content and Privacy Restrictions and open it. Then, tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Scroll down until you find Web Content and select it. Make sure the Unrestricted option is enabled. This will remove the website restrictions configured through Screen Time. Alternatively, you can turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions completely. This will also remove the restrictions applied to web content. The second setting is related to Google Search. Open your preferred web browser. For this demonstration, I'll use Safari. Navigate to the Google website and scroll to the bottom of the page. Select Settings, then tap Search Settings. Look for the Safe Search option and open it. Make sure Safe Search is turned off. After changing these settings, Google should no longer apply the same content restrictions to your searches, allowing you to access websites that were previously being filtered or restricted. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.